Alright, how's everyone doing here? Still working on the vet project here. And this video is going to be about, let's change some valve cover gaskets on this thing. 84 Corvette, you know, crossfire injection. Should be all the same for all of them. Let's take a look here. I don't think I have to pull this radiator belt off to get this off. I could probably pop it up like that. But if you look over here, I have a slight leak right here. Hold on, I got a phone ringing here, but I got a slight leak and I think it's coming from that gasket. Hold on one second here. That was Lou D. I'll call him right back. Let's see. I'm going to pull that off anyways because I'm going to change that thermostat gasket. By rights, though, you shouldn't have to. So there's just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll pull this valve cover off, take a look underneath there. I'm thinking this is a PCV valve. So I'm going to get one of these tomorrow. We'll replace that. And yeah, let's go from there. Alrighty, bye-bye. Alright, we got the valve covers off. They're a little dirty. And everything's looking pretty good in here. Let's see, to get this off, you have to loosen the alternator right here. And it's just, you remove this bolt right here and loosen this one right over here. Once I loosen that, the thing dropped right back and the valve cover pulled right out. So as far as the other side goes, here we go. Let's see, there's a bar that went across here. From here to the back of this. That had to come off. There's a bolt that holds this down. Oops. Hold on, let's get these out of the way. These were a pain in the ass. Okay, there was a bolt that held this all in, right here. You had to take that out so you could bend this up to get the valve cover out. And that was pretty much it. So I just got to clean all this up. Got some schmut here. Little ladybug it looks like. So yeah, other than that, the motor looks great. No dirt, no grime. Yeah. Looks like these heads were off before. Someone did something with this motor. I'm not sure what it is, but they did something. Let's see if we can find a number on them. 482624 heads. Let's see if we can find a head number. 482624. So I gotta look that up. They're supposed to have the 882 heads on here. Alright, let me look on the other side over here. We're going to do some head identifications here. It's probably the same thing as an 882 head, which we know we don't like those. These could actually be worse than an 882 head now that I think about it. 624. Alright, let's look those up and then yeah, I gotta clean these valve covers. I have a nice set of chrome ones, not a nice set, I have a set of chrome ones here. If they were a little bit better condition, I would clean them up and throw them on, but no. Anyways, so I gotta clean these up, tack the gaskets on them, and we'll do some installations. Alright, so that's it for now. Bye-bye. Alright, we got her all done. She's in there. Clean the valve covers, tighten it up. Not bad. Well, at least we got rid of those old cork, what do you call it, gaskets on this thing. So we got some nice rubber or cosmetic. Cosmetic? I forget how you say it. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. It's all back together. Shouldn't leak. Let's hope not. And there you go. So we're all done with this part right here. One thing I wanted to show you is this is the PCV valve. Let me find the other piece. It's on a T like this. Well, instead of me ordering one for 20 bucks or something, specifically made for the Corvette because it has this T. I was able to finally slide this off. I put this in a little vise and I just kept prying around with it with a screwdriver. And I'm gonna bring this with me to the parts store tomorrow. And he already said he'll find one that fits this for me. Dude Kurt at the Milford Auto Parts store near me here. So we're good, yeah. I have to get the new belt because we're deleting the smog, but that's in another video. But as far as this one goes, we're yeah. Valve covers are done. One more item to check off the list. We're working on the smog, but that's a whole different video. We'll get to that. Yeah, all we gotta do is just a tune-up and put some coolant in this thing, bleed the system, and I have the headlight rebuild kit. So we're getting there. You know, a few hours every day, come out here, work on it. By the end of this week, middle of next week, it'll be done. And there we go. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.